Well, I'm joining in for the July Tiered Tray collab, July 1st, with my awesome friend, as you know, Penny at Penny's Place. She always does such wonderful things she loves sharing with us. Please don't forget to go over to Penny's Place and see what awesome tiered tray she put together for this wonderful 4th of July celebration. And here's our hostess at Penny's Place. Oh my gosh, she's such an awesome channel. Please go over and check her out. She always does all kinds of great content on her channel. As you can always tell, motivating others to clean, declutter, and living on a budget. But she also does a lot of beautiful home decor also. Here's just a few of her videos that she has done in the last few days. She keeps a very busy channel going. And of course, her awesome co-hostess is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Oh my, she's such an awesome channel too. Make sure you check her out, and also check out that wonderful playlist that we're going to have. And don't forget, if you're joining in, to make sure you put hashtag 4th of July Fun 22. Hope to see you all there. I'm going to be late, but I'm coming. You know I'm always late to everything. Well, today I'm joining in on a tiered tray that's red, white, and blue. To make it a little easier for me, I went around the house collecting as many pieces as I could find that was in that color theme. I don't know what I'm going to use until I really get in here and putting it together. I have some placemats that are red and white, blue and white, and just red. And I have some napkins that are, you know, the red, white, and blue I got over at Dollar Tree. And I have some white doilies. So I have a pretty big collection of things, and I have some more things in the house if I need them. But let's start with what I already own and have and see what I can do. I'm starting with a black and white tablecloth over this small table for my tiered tray, because I wanted to have a lot more contrast. If everything was red, white, and blue and red, I really don't think I would have that much contrast. So that's what I'm doing. I'm starting with a base of black and white and building upon that. Well, this is the top of my 3-tiered tray. Most of these items I had gotten, some of them I got them last year and some were this year. And I'm not going to tell you how much I spent, because I'm sure I spent quite a bit, really. Even though I still bought a lot of stuff at the 99-cent store in Dollar Tree, but I did have to buy some of the things over, I think, at Michael's and Hobby Lobby. So that's where the money came in at. And I should have written it down, and I didn't. So let's just say it was at least $20 or more. And the only reason why it's that is because I actually have used some of these pieces in past posts. If it wasn't for that, it would be at least $30 or $40. Hard to believe. So we have our, I don't know where I got the pom-poms at. And you know, I just bought them. You'd think I could remember. But anyway, they were super cute. The American I got at the at Dollar Tree. And then I think these right here, coming down with all the red, white, and blue stars, I bought at Dollar Tree also. And those little balls in the back I already had. I did buy the little fireworks at Michael's, and I think we got them at 40% off. The little butterflies that are red, white, and blue, I've already used them in a past post, but they were bought this year also. And my little gnomes were bought at Dollar Tree also, and I have a pair of them, one on each side. And the little fireworks behind them was from Dollar Tree also. Let me see if I can get in it.
how cute they were, but everything was bunched up so much. Maybe that would also be something to mention. When you're putting displays together, don't bunch everything up. It can be spread out and look better. And I think it does look better if it's not right on top of each other. So I think it looked better pushing the little fireworks a little bit further to the back. And I got these cute little cups at Dollar Tree also. And it says America the Beautiful. They're just plastic, but great for an outside picnic or a barbecue. The napkins were bought at Dollar Tree also. Well, maybe I guess I didn't spend as much as I thought, the more I think, because most of this did come from Dollar Tree. I don't know why I was getting so upset about how much money I spent. The cupcakes I bought at Stater Brothers, that is our grocery store by our house, and I have a pair of them to go with my pair of napkins for my wonderful barbecue dessert. The lighting isn't all that good because I should have been out here a lot earlier, but I worked last night and I just was too tired. Now, I could still fill this up with some more little things, and I still may try to do that, and I'm trying to decide if I have any more strength left. That sounds terrible, doesn't it? Does look a little bare, and it's not like I don't have pieces to put in there. So let me put a few more things in real quick before the sun is right on this table. Well, I added a few new pieces. You let me know if you thought I should have left it alone, or the extra pieces I added, did it give it more interest? I had 3 of these USA signs, so I put one at the top, one on each side. And I added a few more red balls, 3 on the second shelf, and on the third I added 2. So I didn't really add that much more. I did have a necklace that lights up, and I put that here on the bottom, but even though it's lit up, I don't even see it lighting up. It's just so bright out here. Let me make sure I didn't turn it off. It was where I could faintly see it. I did want to show you how pretty this necklace did light up. It's so funny outside, I couldn't hardly even see it going off. But here in the nice dark house, it shows up so beautifully, doesn't it? Also wanted to show my beautiful floral arrangement I made for the 4th of July. Hope you enjoy seeing it. I tried to put something beautiful together for us to enjoy. And of course, we have our cute little gnomes also here. Even with the overhead lights on, you can still see the necklace blinking, even though we couldn't see it blinking outside. Just wanted to give you a little extra for your money's worth. Well, I hope you enjoyed our tiered tray today, and I threw in a flower arrangement on top of that. Let me know what you thought. Did you like it or not? Thought we got the 4th of July in this very well. What did you think? You see all the American flags around the necklace and all the pretty blue and silver stars, and of course the red is the flag and the beautiful red lights. Let me know what you thought about this post.